So this talk is called A Glimpse of Consciousness Technology, and consciousness and technology, basically the idea is how can we couple consciousness or our minds to physical devices to create a new kind of technology, so sort of mind-matter interaction technology. And this is also about consciousness, so here's what some contemporary experts on consciousness have to say about it. From Francis Crick: you, your joys, your sorrows, your memories and your ambitions, your sense of personal identity and free will are in fact no more than the behavior of a vast assembly of nerve cells and their associated molecules. In short, you are nothing but a pack of neurons. And from Richard Dawkins: human beings are lumbering robots, blindly programmed by our genes which control us, body and mind. Why are these experts saying things about consciousness that seem so contradictory to our daily experience? You know, I have feelings, I have thoughts, I have intentions, I have lights on upstairs. Why are these guys saying that all of that is not real? Well, it turns out that it's not really their fault because they're operating from something called materialism. Materialism is kind of the dominant way of thinking about how the universe works. Basically, the idea behind materialism is that anything that is real is composed of physical matter. So if we can't explain something by the known properties of physical matter, then it doesn't exist. So if a materialist or the materialist perspective were to encounter consciousness and try to explain it, its assumption is basically, well, it's not real. So because consciousness cannot be understood in terms of the sort of underlying physical substructure, it ain't real. It's an illusion. So it's important to point out that materialism is not an explanation for how the universe works. Materialism is actually a framework for understanding how the universe works, but it is not an explanation, and that's an important point to consider. It's really a metaphysical ideology.